Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today guys is we're doing PvP and first to three wins the whole entire challenge. Okay? Okay, come here. You there. So let's PvP
Let's go.
in 3, 2, 1, go. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Mm, 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 mm. Eat your golden apples if you have. Ha ha ha. Thank you for the. Ha ha ha. You're gonna die. Ha ha ha. So that was the first PvP challenge. So let's move on to the next. And so currently I am 1 point ahead of her, and let's go on the second round. So guys, this is the second challenge. Bro, no bow. So guys, this is the next challenge. We have to mace each other, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Oh. Oh no. Wait. Rematch. So, okay guys, here. Equip your chest plate. Chest plate. Your chest plate. Bro. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Boom. Boom. Oh my god. Boom. 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 Ha ha ha. I won. Ha ha ha. I won. So after that, I'm 2 points and her 0 points. So up next is like, I don't know. Wait. Oh, bow PvP. So let me make a bow, yeah, and buy some arrows. So okay, are you ready?
Yes.
So 3, 2, 1, go. You can run. Let me eat. Boom. 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 Ha ha ha. I win. And guys, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to like and subscribe because I'm still not at 100 subscribers. And please like and subscribe, and goodbye.